Okay, so now let's make a little shaker, but with audio, not with sampling, and in a more freestyle kind of way. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So I have this shaker recording, which is a branch of a tree that had probably some leaves on it, and I just played with it and recorded it and made a rhythm from it. Right now it's not quantized as you can hear, but nevertheless it's a rhythm anyway. So now what we can do basically is choose a certain part that we want. This part looks like the classic part and the easiest part to just loop and quantize and use as a loop. But let's use this part because it looks a little different. And you can see how, first of all, without quantizing it, it has a certain rhythm. Even if it's not right on the beat, it does sit with the beat. But what I will do now to make it more precise, even though it's not always necessary, because let's hear it with the kick and bass. Has a certain drive to it, but let's quantize it to 16ths, and let's not fully quantize it. Let's say like 87%. All right, here we go. And now we'll use the one-shot transient mode, beats mode in Ableton. And with this function, you just make it more pluckier and less. Just you cut the decay, the sustain of the sound. So there you have it. You have a groove. And like the hi-hat, now it's just about the right processing. Let's try. Just saturate it a little bit and that's it. But now let's do the same trick with also an even different sample that doesn't completely fit the description of a hi-hat. Let's use this sound because this is. Let's quantize it. And we have a loop here.